Morning class, Coach Day. Today's video we're going to go over the Chunk Test 7 review. So if you have not done the review yet, please complete the review first, then watch the videos to see the answers. The one error there was on this test when we printed it out on selection A of number 8, this should say positive 14 and positive 4. Or else it would be the same as the answer for C. So for A, change that to plus 14, and so if you want to write it like this, plus 14, that's fine. But that was the only error on this test. Everything else should be fine. So if you have not done the review yet, if you have not answered all 13 questions, then just push pause on the video and watch this later. So please do the review before you watch the video. Okay, I'm assuming you watched the video, or sorry, you did the review already. So here are the answers. Number 1 says, which expression is equivalent to m squared minus 4m minus 32? Well, I need, all my answers are factors, so let's factor this. So using the x method, a times c, or 1 times negative 32, which is negative 32. The b value here is negative 4. So I'm going to factor out 32 and see what adds up to negative 4. 1 times 32, when I divide it by 2, I get 2 times 16 is 32. 3 does not go in there, 4 goes in there 8 times. 5 doesn't go in there, 6 doesn't go in there, 7 doesn't go in there, and then we're back to 8. So those are all my factors. Now, they multiply together to get a negative, so one of these is negative, and they added together to get a negative, so the bigger value was negative. So let's change the bigger value to negative, and then let's add each one. That's negative 31, negative 14, and negative 4. So those are the factors I needed. Positive 4 and negative 8. Put it both over 1. Our first factor then, remember the bottom number gets a letter when you can't simplify, so m plus 4, and the other one is m minus 8, which is going to match up with answer C. All right, number 2 says, which binomial is a factor of this expression? Well, once again, it's asking for a factor, so let's use the x method. Now this time our a value is not 1, it's 25, so we need to try to find the GCF of all of our values. So when I do the GCF of 25 and 30, I would get 5, but when I get the GCF of 25 and 9, I would just get 1. So the GCF is just 1, I can't divide anything out. Now I can go into my x method. 25 times 9 is going to be my value, and 25 times 9 is 225. It adds up to 30, so we've got to factor out 225 and see what adds up to 30. Well, obviously we start out with 1 and 225. Now, I know we probably don't know these factors, so I'm going to show you how we'll get them. All you do, take this number on top and start dividing it by the numbers on the left side. So we've got 225, let's try dividing by 2. Nope, doesn't work. 225 divided by 3 goes in there 75 times, so 3 and 75. 225 divided by 4, nope. 225 divided by 5, 5 goes in there 45 times. Let's try 6. Nope. Nope. And since it's odd, I'm going to go ahead and skip even numbers as we go. 9, and it goes in there 25 times. So it won't go in there 10. Let's try 11. Nope. 225 divided by 13. I know 14 won't go in there. 225 divided by 15 is 15. So the last factor is 15 and 15 because right here I got something that repeated. Now I need these factors to add up to 30, and I need them to multiply together to get 225. So all these multiply together to get 225. This is positive and that's positive, so both are going to be positive. So this ends up being 226. This ends up being 78, 50. This is going to be 34, and this comes out to 30. So those are my factors right there. 15 and 15. Now, we've got to put them both over a value, which this time is 25. Can we simplify this fraction? Yes, I can divide both of them by 5. So I get 3 over 5, 3 over 5. The bottom number gets our letter, and then we write the factors. So the first factor is 5x plus 3. Next factor is also 5x plus 3. A. I'm going to stop the video here. We will continue the notes on number 3.